Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And Microsoft has been saying that several things are moving ahead. Of course, a lot of you still tell me you don't have the brand new Start menu in Windows 11. That is one of the things Microsoft has been pushing. But also, some people were wondering if they will eventually get the new battery icons. And Microsoft says that with the latest updates, including the updates we're going to get on Patch Tuesday of March, a lot more people will now have the new colorful battery icons. So on the left side, here's the old icons, what they look like. The new ones are here with color. So you'll have these new icons. So full battery is not plugged in. You'll have the this one, Energy Saver. You'll have the green one, charging with little lightning bolt. You'll have one smart charging, two different options. You'll have the slow charging, and a low battery indication will be like this, and then the battery unknown. So battery unknown, of course, means the battery might be defective or has something wrong. So this is going to roll out the new icons. I have them on my laptop. My gaming laptop has the new battery icons, so I can see the status of the battery. And of course, this will be rolling out gradually. This is the biggest problem with the Windows operating system features. The fact that they're slowly rolling out, and a lot of people hate that. And by the way, when you're in dark mode, these are the icons on the right side. What they will look like in your dark mode, if you're using dark mode on your PC. So new battery icons will be rolling in, and apparently rolling much faster with these updates, including the Patch Tuesday updates of March of 2026 this month. So hopefully that, and the new Start menu. A lot of people do want the new Start menu. They're waiting for it, and they're wondering when it's going to appear. Once again, with Microsoft, you never know, but apparently it's rolling faster, so maybe the wait is not going to be too long. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.